2021 diamond painting friends. Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a brand new artist collaboration from Distracted by Diamonds. I am so excited about this canvas, you guys. I have been waiting, not very patiently, to show this one to you. So let's get right into it. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday and that the year's kicking off just great. All right, I'm gonna use a little magic of television to get into this box. First, I want to tell you a little bit about this amazing artist. Stephanie Littlebird Fogel is a visual artist, professional writer, and curator from Portland, Oregon. Drawing connections between our collective past and imminent future, Stephanie mixes her own Grand Ronde and Kalapuyan tribal traditions with contemporary materials and subject matter. Steph is a graduate of the Pacific Northwest College of Art in Portland and is a 2020 Caldera Artist in Residence, 2019 Regional Arts and Culture Council Project Grant awardee, a two-time Art and Sci Initiative recipient, and has collaborated with the Oregon Bee Project, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, Environmental Protection Agency, and the U.S. Postal Service. So in short, Steph is a big deal. Stephanie currently serves as Artist in Residence for the NOAA Fisheries Art and Science Fellowship, a program that helps to communicate and address ecological and social concerns and bridge communities around challenging resource issues. Steph's original artwork will also be featured as the official poster for the Wild and Scenic Film Festival, scheduled for January 14th through 24th, 2021. I bet you guys can find it online. You know, it's coming right up here. I bet it's online. Everything's online these days. So when Robyn and I encountered Stephanie's work, we knew right away that there was something special about it. You know how you stumble on certain art and you just get this feeling. You get this feeling in your heart and you're like, yeah, that art is important. And that is art that needs to be seen everywhere. And it's art that's created with a lot of loving care. And that just communicates in all of Stephanie's work. Let's take a look at this incredible, incredible piece of art. This gives me feelings deep down in my heart, you guys. I know this piece is important to Steph. There is no doubt in my mind why. This piece is called Two-Spirit. You can definitely see Steph's cultural traditions writ large all over this piece, and it is beautiful. It is gorgeous. Of course, I'm going to take you out for a long view, like I always do, because my camera view here is just way too small to show a piece this large and gorgeous. So, canvas details first. This has 38 colors. It is a square drill canvas. The size is 52 by 65. Robyn doesn't mess around, you guys. You probably noticed. Robyn does not mess around with her canvas sizes. She wants the artwork to be beautiful and to translate really well in the renderings. Now I know that on a couple of releases, Robyn has had some issues with the factory producing symbols that are a bit hard to read, despite her best efforts. And so I'm going to take you in on this one and we'll take a peek at the symbols. I'm not seeing anything as I kind of peruse the canvas here that gives me any pause at all. If something comes up, I will definitely let you know as I'm working on this one. Now, I want to spend just a minute on why this piece means so much to me and why it was so important to me and so special to me that Robyn said yes to licensing this image. Now, you guys, I am involved with Distracted by Diamonds doing art licensing, but not in any other capacity. And so I want you to know that the opinions that I express about absolutely everything are 100% mine. When I saw Stephanie's art, there were two things that stood out about it to me. The first was that it's gorgeous. I mean, I'm scrolling through Instagram and I just see this art and I stop on it and I think, who is the amazing human who created this? And if you visit her over on Instagram, you'll see what I mean. But of course, the first reason it was so special was for the art itself. The second thing that I noticed is that Steph is an Indigenous artist who represents her own Indigenous culture. And one thing that drives me absolutely up the wall about a lot of diamond paintings that depict Indigenous people is that they are not created by Indigenous artists, and they use a lot of the symbols of Indigenous people in ways that are not respectful of those sometimes sacred symbols and sometimes cultural symbols. And sometimes, frankly, there's an overlap between those two things. And so that is extremely off-putting to me. And so when I ran across this art that was so gorgeous, but then to have the voice of an Indigenous person communicating those values, communicating that message, just made this even more special. Let's take a look at the colors. I'm going to flip this over so that we have sort of a white background to look at here. Oh my gosh. Is this a color that you've ever used in a diamond painting before? 608. It's not one I've ever had before. I'm pretty excited about that. 722, 224, 900. How about this 3340? That's not one you see every day either. How gorgeous are the colors going to be? Some 350. Now, artists and their ability to find color matches that are powerful amaze me, because look at all these gorgeous teals. 3848, 959, 3851, 958, 3809, 3847. Oh, there's more blue. 3765, 807, truly turquoise, 996. Now look at how those create a striking contrast with the oranges. This is gonna be such an incredible piece of art. So then we have some other stuff. Oh, I missed 721 in our oranges. We have some yellows, golds, some burgundy. We have some 939, 3799, which is a dark brownish gray. And then we do have some 310, because as you saw when you were looking at the art, there's a lot of outlining here. 535, some more yellow. 3371, 938, which is brown. 317 is gray. Another shade of burgundy. A mint green, 3072. 647, and then our neutrals. I can't get over it. It is going to be incredible. Of course, this canvas comes with a legend that lists all of our colors and a little bit about Distracted by Diamonds over there. Our usual toolkit, which has a white boat, a pink wax, and a blue pen with no multi-placers. So there you have it, you guys. There is Two Spirit by Stephanie Littlebird Fogel. Huge thanks to Stephanie for licensing this art to Distracted by Diamonds. It is gorgeous. I absolutely adore it. It just speaks to my heart in more ways than I can say. Head over to Instagram and check out Art Nerd Forever, which is Steph's Instagram. She has a shop there. Be sure to show her some love. She deserves our love. You'll see when you get there. The artwork is phenomenal. This canvas is in stock right now at Distracted by Diamonds over on Etsy. You guys know Robyn's a one-woman show. She lists a couple times a day, but those puppies sell out quick, so you just got to keep checking back. I hope you guys have really enjoyed seeing this brand new artist collab today. Have a fantastic week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.